Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Braun. I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial for you about how to do a Flipgrid in case you have never done one before. When you tap on the link to the Flipgrid that your teacher has sent you, whether it's in Seesaw or Schoology, you will be asked to log in. You want to tap log in with Google. Okay, then you're going to say continue. And if on this part, if you have not already signed in to your Google account, you would type in your email address and password. I'm already signed in, so I just tapped on my name. And then it goes right to the Flipgrid. So you're going to just read the directions here. This one says, welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera. Then record a short video and say hello. Share a fun fact about yourself. So if I scroll down, I see this big green plus sign. So that is what you want to tap on to open up the camera. Hi, everybody. So then you're going to see down here is the camera icon to start the video recording. And you'll notice it tells you how much time you have. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. So when you're ready, just tap the record button. And then you're going to make your video. So you can see it is recording me right now. You can stop it. If you want to add more, you can tap the camera again to add more. You can also play around with these fun little tools down here. So this first one, you can change the color if you want to, kind of a filter. Or the next one, you can add some words if you want to. Type your name. Let's see what that looks like. So there, if I wanted to do Mrs. Braun, I could. I'm just going to do Mrs. You can add different emojis. So if you want to add an emoji, you can. That's kind of fun. And you can resize these if you want to by pinching. By pinching it together, you make it smaller, and unpinching it or spreading your fingers apart makes it bigger. You can put it wherever you want. And then, let's see, this is a whiteboard. If you want to do a whiteboard, you can show your teacher something on the whiteboard. And then the last one is if you wanted to upload a picture that you had on your device, you could do that. So once you're done, then you're going to tap this play button over here. That goes to the next screen. So tap that, and then you're going to make your video. So you can see it is and so then here is where you can edit your video. If you want to, you can crop it, make it smaller, or make it bigger, whatever you want to do with it. Then tap the next button. That's the green button down at the bottom. And the last part is making a selfie. So you're going to smile and make a selfie. Okay, and then you can do the decorations, whatever. If you want to decorate your selfie, you can at the bottom as well. Then tap next. And then here's where you can type your name, and if you want, if your teacher's asked you to put in a title, you can do that. So if you want to do that, you don't have to. And then the last thing is at the bottom here, you're going to just tap submit video. Okay, so then you can return to the grid, and there you will see your video. Now, some teachers might have to approve the video before you can see it there. I don't have mine set that way, but if you don't see yours there right away after you've submitted, that's probably because your teacher needs to approve it. So that's Flipgrid.